In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project rules in Asana. If you've ever wished routine task updates could happen automatically, rules are your best friend. They help you reduce manual work, keep projects consistent, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening the specific project where you want to add automation. This matters because rules live at the project level and only affect tasks inside that project. With your project open, look to the top right corner and click the Customize button. This panel is where you shape how your project behaves, from fields and layouts to, in this case, automations. Inside the Customize panel, select Rules, then click the plus Add Rule button. This opens the rule builder. Instead of stitching together triggers and actions one by one, you can simply type what you want in plain English. For example, you might write, "When a task moves to review, assign it to me and set the priority to high. Keep your request clear and direct." Asana will translate that sentence into a trigger, which is the event that starts the rule, and actions, which are the updates the rule performs. As soon as you enter your request, take a moment to confirm the pieces Asana detected, check that the trigger matches the exact section name or condition you intend, and that the actions point to the correct assignee and fields. If your team uses custom fields like priority or stage, make sure the rule is targeting those specific fields. Clarity here prevents accidental changes later. Short, specific phrasing typically works best. When everything looks right, publish. Publishing turns the rule on for that project, so it will watch for your trigger and apply the actions automatically from that point forward. The automation won't retroactively change old tasks, but as soon as a task meets the trigger condition, like being moved into the review section, the rule will run instantly. You'll usually see the results reflected in the task history, so it's easy to understand what changed and why. A few quick tips to keep your automations effective. Keep each rule focused on a single, well-defined outcome. Use clear section and field names so the rule has unambiguous targets, and avoid overlapping rules that might try to update the same field in different ways. With a clean setup, your project will feel faster, more reliable, and far easier to manage. And that's it. Open your project, go to Customize, select Rules, add a rule, describe your workflow in plain English, and publish. Your Asana project will now do the busy work for you.